Talk about your journey. How did you get here?
Yeah, it's really an unexpected journey. I never would have planned what I'm doing today. So I actually grew up in a very small town. I had a graduating class of 32 students. Came from a working class family, went off to college. I studied physics. Went on, I wanted to do something a little more practical, studied economics in graduate school after that, and then followed that up with studying public policy. And in my career, I've actually managed to blend all three of those backgrounds of the math and the business side of things, and then bring in personal development. And so I've worked at PricewaterhouseCoopers and later Freddie Mac, designing and developing risk simulation models that predict the future and what are scenarios that could happen that might affect the bottom line of very large companies, and thinking about those. Went on and did some decision analytics and understanding, again, predicting about the future, and then how do you make business decisions based off of mathematical calculations for that. I went on and also got a certification in coaching, because I wanted to learn and develop the people on my teams more as well as myself. And so I've kind of combined all of that these days into the business that I work with that brings together business economics, technology, and personal development.